Hey guys, just want to say welcome to another video, Rat Street Daily. It's your boy Roddy once more. We are about to look at this artwork. I was about to say 240, but I meant to say the silica is done, the wrap is complete, and with no further ado, I won't be holding this back. Working on this thing constantly, and now it's finally finished. So it rained last night, just got on it, but don't worry about that. Just I saw this car, this Honda Accord, I was like, I saw the car, front of the car was all busted up. The lady inside was like yelling and screaming at the phone, and the kid in the back of the car screaming and yelling. And I should have taken heed and not get in front of the car. Yeah, I really missed this gnarly steering wheel and these bucket seats. But anyways, time lapse. Almost forgot. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and support your boy. Alright? Go do it right now. Do it right now. You subscribe? Alright, good. Let's go. hope you liked that footage just now. It's crazy, man. Came a long far way of building this car, and don't mind my messy garage. Every time I clean it up, I have to go back in and get something else out. You know, it gets messy again. You already know how that goes. But I have plans. I am going to be taking apart the 240 finally. I've done some research on putting a new crankshaft in there, and due to the fact that I don't have a cherry picker, something to pick up the engine out of the car, I am going to be working on a way of working on the engine inside the car without taking the engine out of the car. So that's gonna be interesting, because look at the space I got. Like, I only have that much space, and a cherry picker usually sits all the way out to here where I'm at, and gotta be able to close the garage door, and I don't have that much space. So I am going to be starting on this today. I'm gonna raise it up. I'm actually gonna see what I'm gonna need for the repair that I'm gonna need to do for the crankshaft. And once that's done, I have in mind that I might just go with a turbo setup. Most people have bought these cheap turbo kits where they actually do a single turbo, of course, but they run 8 pounds of boost. Due to the fact that I drive this car every day and I want to drive it every day, I might run it at only like 3 psi. It's not crazy, you know, just something to get that sound, that turbo sound. That's what I really want, is that turbo sound. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I hope you like the time lapse on the Celica. I know that, you know, I'm getting better and I'm trying to do my best. And yeah, man, so the next project is 240. I am gonna start taking it apart, and once I start taking it apart, you're gonna be right along with me. Part 1, part 2, part 3, whatever parts come up to. Just enjoy, man. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. And that's it. Peace.